Differences of British Isles and the United Kingdom. So, okay, you have Britain, Great Britain, the United Kingdom of Great Britain and the Northern Ireland. All of these terms refer to the same place, right? Not exactly. The British Isles are a group of islands of the northwestern coast of Europe. The largest of these islands are Britain and Ireland. In the Middle Ages, the name Britain was also used for a small part of France, now known as Britain and Brittany. That name became official when the island's rival kingdoms of England and Scotland, United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland in 1707. Makes sense so far? Good, because it's about to get complicated. Ireland formally joined with Great Britain in 1801. Together they were known as the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland of the United Kingdom for a short. But in 1922, all but 6 countries in the north of Ireland seceded, but the remaining unfed country renamed itself the United Kingdom of Great Britain and the Northern Ireland, which it remains today. So, for those of you keeping score at home, and in Great Britain includes the islands of Great Britain and Ireland. Great Britain is the location of Scotland, England and Wales. So what's the difference between Great Britain and the United Kingdom? Your answers right here.